Laughter Yoga started with just 5 people from Mumbai Park in 1995. Now it has spread across 106 countries. And if I look back, how did it went global? Why did it spread? Simple, because people got some benefits from it. Laughter is very much needed. If you see that since centuries people knew that laughter is the best medicine, it has many benefits, even science has proven it. But where is laughter? Who is laughing these days? No one. Very few people laugh. Why we are not laughing today? Reason is number one, stress. We are facing enormous amount of stress in our personal life, in our business life, everywhere. There's a lot of physical stress, mental stress and emotional stress, and that is killing our laughter. And people are falling sick because of stress, and we all know that laughter can help us relieve stress. There are many methods we use to relieve stress, but laughter is the best medicine. There is nothing like laughter. Is the one of the most powerful tool we have to reduce physical, mental and emotional stress all at the same time. Other reason why we are not laughing, because we always look for some reason to laugh. We believe that one must have good sense of humor, one must be able to tell jokes and do something funny. That's not the thing. And we don't have many reasons which makes us laugh. And people don't have a great sense of humor today. And this is the reason we are not laughing. Depression is becoming number one sickness. Cancer number two sickness. And also people are becoming serious. Business is serious. Your personal life is serious. People have become more serious in their social life. Hardly any social interaction because of this social media, Facebook, Twitter, and you're always on the WhatsApp and not talking to each other. No time for friends. So we are not meeting face to face, only on the Facebook. So I thought that Laughter Yoga is a real breakthrough which has helped people to find some relief from the stress, at the same time getting many health benefits. Same, if you laugh you don't fall sick easily, and also if you have some chronic health problems you can heal much faster by laughing. But problem was that there was no reliable method available to laugh. How do you laugh? So nothing was working. So doing laughter as a group exercise was a real breakthrough which enabled people to laugh for no reason and do laughter as an exercise and still get the same benefits. So we could laugh for 10 to 15 minutes to bring about physiological and psychological changes. And this is how it has become popular all over the world. Now it gained popularity, but beginning was not easy. It was a bit tough for me. Now the first challenge was we asked people to laugh for no reason, without anything, and a common man would not understand how can you laugh for nothing? How can you force yourself to laugh when there is nothing, no reason to laugh, nothing funny to laugh. So, and I was, being a medical doctor was a very big advantage with me, that I could actually explain people the scientific fact that your body cannot tell the difference between real laughter and fake laughter. By just acting like a happy person, you would still get the same health benefits. In fact, by laughing on purpose, laughing as an exercise, you can get more benefits of laughing, because the natural laughter does not last for more than few seconds here and there, 3 seconds, 4 seconds at a time. So this Laughter Yoga is a delivery system actually, which actually gives the benefits of laughter as we see in the research. So first challenge was I was trying to tell people that fake laughter is good, faking is fine, but most people won't believe it, and everybody was making comments that this is artificial laughter, this is forced laughter. Some people even commented it's like having sex without orgasm. So when we started Laughter Club in a park, we were laughing in a group, and there were a lot of people who were walking by, and they were feeling they are getting disturbed with the sound of laughter, and they were complaining that we should stop this laughter club. And one day somebody even complained to the police, and one police inspector came to the laughter club, and when he saw people laughing, and he was also enjoying, he was laughing. And after the session he came to our club and said, oh, this looks fine, it's not a big sound, even traffic sounds are much bigger than the laughter sounds. So they told us to continue. When there are a lot of buildings around that park, high-rise buildings, and some people were very angry with us, and they started throwing water on us, and they said, go away. So we tried to move our group to another place, and then we kept on changing places, and finally people started to understand. It came on media, a lot of articles in newspapers, magazines, even it was in the prestigious magazines like Time magazine, National Geographic. We were on BBC, CNN, and became very popular. So only a few months, and for me it was a big challenge that it was very difficult to become a social crusader to help people start free social laughter club. All the clubs were free of cost, nobody has to pay anything, and we had to spend a lot of time to travel and teach people to other cities, and I used to miss my medical practice, so my personal income was dropping, and that was a very big challenge for me, and we had to go through some financial difficulties. So but finally after 4-5 years, in 2000 we got an invitation to go to different countries in United States, in Europe, in Switzerland, in Germany, and where we used to give a lot of seminars, and we used to get paid for that, and that really helped us. Western world was very skeptical about this idea of laughing without a reason. So for Western, they are more logical and intellectual. They want proof that laughing on purpose is good. So they ask for scientific evidence. I said, I have not conducted any scientific studies. Why don't you try it? So I think many people tried, and based on their anecdotal experiences, laughter clubs spread, and we started to make laughter groups all over the world. And later on, now we have more than 20 studies on different universities all over the world, validating the benefits of laughter. And now it has become very popular worldwide phenomenon with a lot of scientific evidence, and it's now growing not only as social laughter clubs. We are doing laughter yoga with senior centers, in companies and corporations, in schools and colleges, and in physically and mentally challenged police, in prisons, everywhere. So this is, if I say overall, challenge was not too hard for me to deal with it, because being a medical doctor, I could convince people about the benefits of laughter. And I could also communicate with doctors, with researchers, to tell them that this is really a great idea, and it spread all over the world. Now I'm very happy to say that the whole world is laughing with us. And it continues to grow beyond my expectations. I'm very happy. Oh, ho, ho, ha, ha. Namaste, Dr. Madan Kataria, and Laughter Yoga was started from Mumbai with 5 people in 1995. Now, after 23 years, we are present in more than 100 countries. Our vision is health, happiness, and world peace through laughter. Talking about health, Laughter Yoga is a simple tool which can help people to unwind the negative effects of stress, make their immune system stronger, and increase the amount of oxygen to your body and brain. And that's the basis of good health. If you laugh every day, you will not fall sick easily. But if you have some health problems, chronic health conditions, Laughter Yoga will help you to heal faster. So, second vision is happiness through laughter. Now, how can one be happy by laughing? So, we have a saying in Laughter Yoga that we don't laugh because we are happy. We are happy because we laugh. So, happiness is of two types. One happiness comes from the external world. Getting what you want in your life, you are happy. But another happiness is within us. You can actually create happiness by creating some 4 elements of joy. You can record again after some. Hello and welcome. Laughter Yoga was started with just 5 people in 1995 year. Can you get some water?